Hey tech lovers, meet the Dyson PencilVac, a sleek, ultra-slim vacuum that shines in hard-to-reach spaces with strong suction and smart design. But its tiny dustbin, is it a deal-breaker? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its super slim and maneuverable design. At only 38 mm diameter and 1.8 kilos, the PencilVac is much easier to handle, especially under furniture or in tight spots. It's so thin that you might find yourself vacuuming under furniture without moving it. Fluffycones brush head, the 4 conical brush bars, 2 fronty back, are designed to reduce hair tangling. Also helps cleaning in both push and pull directions. Good suction for its size. It may not beat a full-size upright, but for a device this slim, it delivers strong cleaning on hard floors and for small debris. LED, laser lighting plus visibility. The lighting makes dirt more visible. Front and back illumination helps see stuff you'd normally miss. You now spot dust you didn't know existed. When it comes to the new motor performance, the Hyperdemium 140,000 RPM motor is compact but strong, giving a lot of power out of a small package. Connected features LCD, app, the app, My Dyson, the LCD screen for showing mode and battery, etc. Plus maintenance reminders are nice touches. Helps you know what's going on. Yeah, there is always a room for criticism, whoever you go. So, let's talk about limitations and criticisms. Small dustbin capacity? The bin is only 0.08 L. Even with the compression system, you'll need to empty it often, especially if there's a lot of debris or if you have pets. Battery life in power modes is short. Eco mode gives up to 30 minutes, but in more powerful modes or when doing heavier cleaning, it drops significantly. Price, premium cost. As with most Dyson products, price is seen as steep. Some feel that for what you gain, portability, design, novelty, there are trade-offs you pay extra for. Overall, the Dyson PencilVac is a sleek, ultra-slim vacuum that shines in hard-to-reach spaces with strong suction and smart design. But its tiny bin, short runtime, and limited carpet performance mean it's best as a stylish secondary cleaner rather than a full household workhorse. So, give us what you think about this, and the link is already down if you want to check on this gadget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, leaks, and legit insights on the hottest gadgets.